Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix or ensure you want to quit your current championship. Any progress will be lost. So basically the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to the map, then go to change filter and select this, untick all the things here and select only seasonal events. So probably you're getting this message here when you try to, as you can see here, complete this task or other task that is basically with a red outline and red background. So now on map, you need to find all the tasks that basically rewards with the same rewards. For my case is Toyota MR2. And so there is 3 tasks with a white background here and also with the white as well, 3 tasks. So what you need to do first is to complete the tasks with a white background. In my case is this one and this one. And once you complete and finish the race, for example, first or whatever place you want to finish, you finished. And then you need to go to the championship here and it will be no error here. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like.